Let's learn how to turn mouth-watering food into
Warning,
art.
if you are a non-human person that hates sweets and art, this is not the channel for you.
I'm going to show you how I digitally draw and paint using Clip Studio. I've also done some Adobe Illustration and Photoshop, but for now we're just going to focus on this one. This almond pastry illustration has a lot of information going on, so I'm just going to go over a few things. Like here, I like to put the flat colors down, then on another layer add the colors I'm going to blend. Using a textured brush, I can make this little nut come alive. One thing I like to think about when I'm putting colors down is the color of the lighting and how that affects the color of the objects. Like this cute almond, really feel the depth of the ridges and how the light is popping them out. How does that affect the color of that almond? And how does that affect the color when it's in your mouth? Now here, I love black plates. I always like to use them on my paintings. On this one, I got a really beautiful blue shining off, and of course gotta add the reflection of the cake on there. Anyways, thank you for today, and I hope you'll join me for the next part of my journey.